2-3 घंटे में नहीं आया तो मैं पुलिस को इन्फॉर्म करूँगा। हाँ ठीक है क्योंकि मेरा मिरर लूज है, अरे मेरा ये लूज है, अरे मेरा चेन आवाज कर रहा है, मैंने रुकना हुआ बस। मैं निकल गया सीधा, ऐसा आया जंगल के बीच में, हाँ पेड़ कुछ भी नहीं, और ऐसे कुछ तो मार्क्स बने हुए हैं, बीच में लकड़ी गिरी है जो रोकने के लिए, चोरी करने के लिए बाकायदा बन रखी हुई है वो।
क्या बात है।
हाँ और लोग बीच में आ रहे जानबूझ के, वो सब है। मैं तो थोड़ा कोई भी ठोक डालूंगा, मैं तो रुकूंगा ही नहीं।
सोलो जहाँ तक मैंने देखा लड़कियों का चलता है,
लोगों का भी चलता है, आते जोरे कपूर का चलेगा ना।
अच्छा।
There's the first copy of Aditya Roy Chopra and the first copy of Ranbir Kapoor.
Who is this Aditya Chopra?
Aditya Roy Kapoor, sorry.
Retake. Silence please. क्या कर रहा हूँ? What's up guys? So today I am going to have lunch with someone whom most of you all definitely know, and for you all who do not know this guy, will know this guy now. It is Mumbai ka Nikhil. What's up, bro?
Everything is going great, man. He's so energetic. I know it's like what 3 o'clock in the afternoon. बस दिन अभी 2
हाँ, approximately. हमारा इस वक्त लंच टाइम होता है, हम लोग सब लेट उठते हैं। हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री में तो बाय डिफॉल्ट हम लोग लेट ही खाना खाते हैं।
मेरे में तो ब्रेकफास्ट है।
हाँ, अच्छा ये तो ब्रेकफास्ट है। तो आज इसका अलग लंच फॉर मी एंड ब्रेकफास्ट फॉर हिम इज गोइंग टू बी टुडे हियर एट माय den. Firstly, officially welcome to my den. So for most of y'all who know this or do not know this, Nikhil is not too much of a foodie kind of a person, right? But he likes good food.
Yeah, I eat to survive. Sometimes, I mean, of course, if I get an opportunity to sit at a place, you know, and to enjoy, like for example, if you go to Goa, you cannot eat dal chawal and sit, you know. But of course, I feel like, but then, as I've seen, you know, a lot of things, you know, so might as well have a sandwich and eat, because I'm a vegetarian. I don't eat anything else, so seafood, so I don't eat at all. So might as well I'll stick to sandwich rather than dal chawal.
You're veg by choice or veg by
choice? I'm a Punjabi, so everyone eats at home.
ठीक है तो सिपाजी तो मैंने भी उन्हें पता चला हाँ but one thing about him and me in common is that none of us drink or smoke proudly we can say that so guys take some inspiration मुझसे मत लो लेकिन you can take it from him at least
किससे भी लो यार जो नहीं करता है उससे लो यार
so guys stay tuned and we'll make you join us for lunch very soon bye bye so guys here we are just chilling and just having a little chit chat here and there. You all missed a conversation because it was not important for you all. You were just getting to know each other because the first time we have met.
Yeah.
So, थोड़ा जान रहे, पहचान रहे, मिल रहे एक दूसरे को.
Yeah, you can say that the first copy of Aditya Roy Chopra and the first copy of Ranbir Kapoor.
Like he said, he's not a foodie. I have offered him a watermelon fried salad, which is needed for this heat because he's come via bike and बाहर बहुत गर्मी है. तो ये थोड़ा लाइट एंड रिफ्रेश करने के लिए we have given him salad. Starters are still to come. Yeah, these are flax seeds. तो थोड़ा सा हेल्दी भी है.
मैं वो सोच रहा था कि वाटरमेलन हमको अवॉइड करते हैं कि सीड है और सीड गार्निश किया हुआ है. अभी रियलाइज हो गया कि दिस इज डिफरेंट सीड.
हां इसमें दैट्स फ्लैक्स सीड तो थोड़ा सा हेल्थ के जोन में एंड द पेटा आल्सो ना वी मेक ओनली ओवर हियर.
Oh,
irrespective. Normally बाहर it's pretty expensive. We just make any which way.
very nice.
Yeah. He's not too much into food like we have mentioned earlier, but अच्छा लगा.
Yeah, when I eat like a baby. So not into food, but then you give me food I eat.
Okay, but I want to give you nothing. Someday maybe. Okay, just coming to that now. For some now he travels a lot. Okay. If you go to a place, any place, India हो या इंडिया के बाहर हो, तो अगर आपको वहाँ पे समझो वेज खाना नहीं मिल रहा है, okay, या फिर you're getting something which is as good as no in veg, and you have no option but to have meat. Just a very hypothetical situation.
बहुत बार हुआ है. Very simple. Everywhere there is rice, right? And everywhere there is boiled potatoes. Give me rice, boiled potatoes, salt and pepper. Eat. It tastes very good.
But is that good enough for you to pull your ride?
Of course.
Huh?
It is carbs. It is energy.
It is energy. लेकिन the thing is that it gives you like a sugar rush kind of a thing.
Yeah.
Right?
It's carbs, energy, sugar.
Yeah, exactly. So when it gives you sugar rush, मतलब वो एक पॉइंट पे पीक होता है, उसके बाद it drops.
नहीं, but right में हो जाता है. Because the most important thing is that see, right में तो anywhere in India you get food, vegetarian.
मैगी सब जगह मिलती है.
But then I told you that I was into crew, I was into traveling. So that time what I used to do, I was with rice and potato. Salt and pepper से खाता था and best is milk. Milk हो गया, salt and pepper हो गया, coconut water हो गया, juice हो गया. बॉडी में डालते रहो. प्रोटीन नहीं मिलता, उससे अलग बात है, मगर एनर्जी तो मिलती रहती है.
ये जो when you're doing this entire journey, how do you manage your entire eating schedule? Because like you said कि मैं चावल and potato खा लूँगा.
मैं खाता ही नहीं, कुछ नहीं खाता.
लेकिन how is that humanly possible for you to survive such long rides?
No, I drink water continuously. What I do when I ride, like for example, मैं जब मुंबई नागपुर किया तो obviously रात को निकला था. And I reached because मैं रात को लेट सोता हूँ तो मैंने माइंड से राइड ही कर लूँ. तो मैं जब सुबह हुआ नागपुर से कुछ अराउंड 500 किलोमीटर 400 किलोमीटर पहले एक ढाबे पे एक पराठा खाया. भूख लगी थी, बैठ गया, चलने लग गया. फिर नागपुर पहुंचा तो मैंने एक दाल राइस ऑर्डर किया, वो खाया उसको. फिर मैंने प्रयास के रिजॉर्ट पे भूख नहीं लगी थी और ठंडी तो रेप करी थी हम लोग, तो चाय पी के हम सर्वाइव कर रहे थे. सो व्हेन ही वांटेड टू ईट द फिश स्टॉप कहाँ खाया हमने, उन्होंने एक ढाबे पे खाया था दाल चावल बस. और खाता. Now what happens is that food is very important when you're riding because you cannot keep your stomach empty. Because when you keep your stomach empty, the moment you eat, it converts into fat. So that is the reason ride में मैं automatically put on कर लेता हूँ because I starve. And the reason I starve because if you put food in your stomach, bam, sleepy.
Point.
So you need to starve. You need to put sugar in your body like chocolate खा ली, Cadbury खा ली, sadly.
Sugar अच्छा आलू भी.
गोलगप्पे पी लिया.
Difficult यार.
Difficult होगी, इसलिए तो सब लोग अभी इंस्पायर होकर करते हैं, बातें भुगतते हैं.
लेकिन कर नहीं पाते ना. So guys, Nikhil is on a diet. उसने बहुत खाना यहाँ पे खा लिया है, तो he's having a green tea.
As always.
As always. और मैंने यहाँ पे chocolate brownie with Nutella मंगाया, जिसका you will take a bite.
I'll take a bite.
He'll take a bite.
फूड के लिए पब्लिक पागल है. जब मैं उल्लासनगर गया था वहाँ पब्लिक सैंडविच खाने आती है रात को.
हाँ.
I'm not into that. मैं फूड के लिए मैं नहीं जाऊँगा इधर भी. हाँ. मिले तो ठीक है, ये लोग भूखा रहेगा. क्या होगा इधर?
So guys, that was Nikhil and me just chilling over a little food and conversation. तो थोड़ा बहुत दिखा और बहुत कुछ नहीं दिखा होएगा obviously because हमारा ये first discussion और talk था.
You guys will also enjoy. अभी I was not actually aware of that it will be this happening. Usually meetings are boring, so मैं नहीं लेके आता कैमरा and I was not completely educated about him. Although I have seen his videos, but then I was so busy in last few days कि मुझे पता ही नहीं मैं किससे मिल रहा हूँ. To be very honest, ठीक है. और ये मैं कुछ scripted नहीं है, ऐसे बोल रहा हूँ. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I know you couldn't enjoy the food which I tasted, especially this brownie. But then hopefully in the future we can give you a better experience.
Yeah, on a bigger scale.
On a bigger scale.
On a bigger scale.
Louder scale.
Louder scale. Absolutely. Like going all wild, totally. Yeah. Doing what we do best. Yeah. And none of us do anything scripted. जो मन में आता है जैसा आता हम लोग करते हैं, बढ़ते हैं और बोलते हैं. For the 1% of y'all who do not, for example, know Mumbai Ka Nikhil, just Google the guy and you'll know Mumbai Ka Nikhil. And in front of the camera and behind the camera, he's an amazing guy. मतलब रत्ती भर कभी ना personality change नहीं है, जैसे कि कुछ लोगों में होता है. But bro, I love you for this personality of yours. You have been yourself. He's been talking to me. He's been talking to the entire team over here, and he's been very chilled out. So bro, thanks a lot for coming all the way, and I hope you had a good meal.
Lovely.
Alright.
मजा आ गया. And guys, please support this channel also because इंडिया में जरूरत है कि हमारे food channels भी grow करें and not just food making. Please subscribe to his channel also and probably he's going to be making some wonderful videos in the future. Hopefully.
Thank you.
चलो guys.
इसका closing Nikhil will do his style जो होता है ना. इस तो जो channel पर अपने साथ कर दे.
Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you had a good time watching us also actually me eating. So until next time we meet, as always, shukran alvida masalama, take care and do whatever you want, my lovely friends. But if you want to eat whatever you want, make sure you work out after that. Bye bye.
है।